Here's one of the complaints that I hear. Maybe I don't hear this complaint. I tell people that it ought to be a complaint, because if you're a builder that tries to cut corners, tries to get away with work that isn't up to par, when you start building with structural insulated panels, you're going to find that you may actually have even more of a difficult time. One of the things that should be understood by builders is that when building with structural insulated panels, it forces you to be a better builder. And what I mean when I say that is it's more difficult to cheat. If you've got a rigid rectangle that's as big as 8 feet by 24 feet, and you try to squeak or cheat the system by starting out not plumb, level, and square, and then tweaking your way all the way up to the roof, you're going to find it's going to be difficult. So, do you need to start plumb, level, and square? Yes, you do. As a builder who uses SIPs, you need to understand that you're working with a product that raises your game a little bit, and that you need to understand that in order for the whole system to work, you're actually using a better component to build a better house. So when you're building with SIPs, it forces you to be that better builder.